Hello friends, Dr. Natasha this side. Welcome to my channel, that is Pharmacy International. Today I come with another video that is related to USA and the procedure to become a pharmacist in USA. If you want to know about other countries, specifically for Canada, you can watch the video. The link of that video is given in the description. And if you are a foreign graduate and you want to become a pharmacist in USA, then please watch the video till end so that you will come to know about every single step that is required to become a pharmacist over there. So keep watching. Here we will start step-by-step procedure to become pharmacist in US. Basic requirement is PharmD or any other equivalent degree that should not be less than 5 years. So if you are a B.Pharm graduate, either you have to go for PharmD or any other equivalent degree for the PharmD. Number one step is FPGEC certification. What is this certification? It is Foreign Pharmacy Graduate Examination Committee certification. Every pharmacist educated outside of the United States is required to achieve this certification in order to apply for the pharmacy licensure examination, or you can say state board pharmacy license. So you can say FPGEC is the basic requirement for every foreign graduate in order to become a pharmacist in USA. How you are going to apply or achieve this certification? Number one, you should have to create your profile into the NABP profile, and you should have your particular ID number for the same. For this, you have to send your degree credential to the educational credential evaluators, and in case if any document or any degree paper is not in the English language, then it should be translated to the English language. Second step, you have to go for the TOEFL, that is English Standard Examination. That is the standard examination in order to appear for the FPGEE examination. When it comes to the proper, or you can say the exact requirement of the results of the TOEFL, it is reading 22, listening 21, speaking is 26 and the writing is 24. When you are done with TOEFL and you have submitted all your credential to particular area, that is NABP profile, and you get positive response, now you can sit for the FPGEE examination. After you are done with this particular examination, then you can say you have the ability to apply for the second step. Second step is apply for intern pharmacist license. You have to go for the internship in order to get that license, and the internship period is 1500 hours on an average. But yes, it can be different for different areas of the USA, but you can say average is 1500 hours. Step 3 is NAPLEX, that is the North American Pharmacist Licensure Examination. It is the examination which is required, or you can say the must one, in order to be a pharmacist in particular area, that is in USA. How this exam is going to happen? This is a 6 hours examination that includes 225 questions, and out of 225 questions, there are 200 questions which will be used to calculate for exam results. And the remaining 25 are the pre-test questions which are evaluated for the possible inclusion in the further examinations. But yes, the candidate have no knowledge about those 25 questions, like which 25 questions are not going to include in my results or which are going to include. Attempt limits. Candidate have a maximum 5 attempts in order to appear for the NAPLEX. And if you have failed in any of the attempts, you have a waiting period of 45 days in order to appear into the next NAPLEX examination. And apart from that, the waiting policy includes the candidate to a maximum of 3 attempts in a year, or you can say in a 12 months period, you have maximum 3 attempts for the NAPLEX. The fourth step is MPJE, that is Multi-State Pharmacy Jurisprudence Examination. It is the examination which is of 2.5 hours, and that includes 120 questions. And out of those 120 questions, 100 questions will going to evaluate your results, and the remaining 20 questions will going to evaluate, or you can say pre-test questions for the upcoming examinations. Step 5 is registration for licensed pharmacist. When you are done with all the previous mentioned steps, that is FPGEC, NAPLEX, TOEFL, MPJE, now you can register yourself as a pharmacist in the USA. Kindly do like my videos and subscribe my channel in order to get updated for the pharmacy facts on daily basis, and you can get the knowledge about different countries' procedure in order to become pharmacist over there. You can follow me on Instagram as well as on the Facebook page. I have shared the link of the same in my description. Kindly go to the description and from there you will get to know about the links for the same. Okay, thank you. Have a great day and good luck to you for the upcoming USA examinations.